Welcome to this video. We are working on student form. So here phone, and you can also like com gender. So after phone is blood, blood dot text, and after blood gender email, gender text email, save the values and also change in clear method, gender text email, and also combo box blood. And now run the project. Click on login button, then student button, and here double click here, and data is selected. Also the data is same. Add another record, that ABC phone 123 blood, A positive, gender male, A@B, description XYZ, and date of birth this. Data inserted successfully, and name is 2, 1, 2, 3 is the food, A plus is the blood male. Now click this row and data is selected. Click on update button, and here is the same error. Internet, we have another mistake, that description and date of birth mistake. So date of birth and description. So description 6, this one is 7. Save the project. I think open SQL Server, and here change the type updated by to integer, and save this table, and then start the project. Click on login button, student, double click here, and here you can see ABCD 4, A positive to B positive, male to female, and BC 3. Click on update button, and data updated successfully. So look at here, 2 ABCD 1 to 4, B positive female ABC, and data is updated successfully and updated by user with ID 1. So Now here you can, by using inner join, like select all from students, inner join with admin on admin dot id is equal to created by students dot created by, and we are going to select only id, name, phone, blood, gender. So students dot id as id, and here is also students dot name as name, students dot phone as phone, and admin dot name as created by. Run the project, and you can select all the columns like this way. Click on this button, and now created by Fahim, here is the name, because by using inner join we can fetch the name of the admin. And now you can add more items into this. Now click here and change the name to tab control. Also select grid student and search edit property and set to false, and after that select this one, go to events and double click here, tab control dot selected is equal to add student page, add selected page, and or add here select tab page, save it, and also open dashboard form. Here select form and go to events and search form closed event, and double click here and application dot exit, save this one. Also go to student design and double click here, data grid view dot student, show print preview, run the project. Click on login button and like this. Double click here. Of course, exception occur because we have few attributes. Add all the attributes and then run this project. And another thing is that student and click on print button. So here is the beautiful table in print form. So you can print data by using this button. So thank you for watching this video, and also thank you for watching this course. And now I am going to assign you a task, and a task is that first add forget password option into login form, and then same as it is as student, add all the functionality for admins, and you can also add about your software house, and after that store this one into database, and then you can retrieve the name of the theme and then display the theme accordingly. Dashboard, double click here and you can add this like this. Once again, thank you for watching this course.